With the arrest of its premier on Thursday, 20th April, in connection with conspiracy charges of money laundering and cocaine importation into the United States, the British Virgin Islands has been in the news of late for all the wrong reasons. The British Overseas Territory is struggling to turn a new leaf, with its disgraced premier Andrew Fahie being replaced by his deputy Benito Wheatley. On Wednesday, 11th May, News4orce caught up with Benito Wheatley. He is the British Virgin Islands representative at the United Nations General Assembly Special Committee on Decolonization seminar being held in St. Lucia. According to Wheatley, the political situation in the British Virgin Islands is settling down following the recent turbulence caused by the arrest of its premier in the United States.
Things were a bit uneasy, but since the National Unity Government has come to power, it's settled down a bit, and people are looking forward to the National Unity Government engaging with the United Kingdom on how we can have a situation where we do not see direct rule imposed on the people of the British Virgin Islands. Now we have a new premier. His name is Dr. the Honorable Benito Wheatley. He leads a unity government, and that government will take us forward.
Wheatley says he will be communicating to the United Nations seminar the intention of the government and people of the British Virgin Islands to move towards independence.
We will certainly put forward that we do not want direct rule in the BVI, as some have been calling for, but rather for our new national unity government to be allowed to take forward democracy and to build our country in the way that it should be.
Following the recent scandals involving top officials of the government of the British Virgin Islands and the results of the recently conducted Commission of Inquiry on Corruption in the territory, there was mounting pressure for direct rule from London. Wheatley says the government of the British Virgin Islands is grateful for the support of prominent regional institutions against the idea of direct rule from London.
We have very good support from OECS and CARICOM. We are associate members of those two organizations. We've also received support from the University of the West Indies. Look, we are part of the region. We are family. No one wants to see direct rule imposed on the BVI, so we know that they stand with us.
Despite the recent high-profile scandals that have plagued the British Virgin Islands, that territory continues to resist direct rule from London and is seeking to cut a path to self-determination through independence from Britain. Stanley Lucien for the HTS News4orce.